met David Crosby or any of those guys. But I can tell you this, that the music that we're doing here was the first music that I really got to play. My very first paying gig ever was me and my girlfriends in high school playing guitar and singing Crosby, Stills and Nash and Young songs. So when Steve called me up to say, hey, do you want to come join this thing we're doing? And I was like, because I've been doing my own thing, you know, forever. And it was just like, I didn't even hesitate. I was like, yes, I know those songs. I live those songs. Those songs, don't they just bring back memories for you? It's just crazy. It's crazy. And it's my deep honor to play with all these guys and also to get to do this next song for you.
Thank you.
It's a Neil Young song, and it's, I don't know, I just think it's really powerful. He talks about memories and places that are no longer there and how it's really important to have a place to hold on to that brings you back to where you came from, you know, and that's what this is about. So, here we go. With dream, comfort, memories to stay. And in my mind I still need a place to go. All my changes were there. Blue windows behind the stars. Yellow moon on the rise. Big birds flying across the sky, throwing shadows on our way. And leave us helpless, helpless, helpless. The big bird